Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's going to be another DIY and it is going to be rose water again, but hold on, it is not the other colored rose water I made before. This we're going to make a colorless rose water, a distilled one. So guys, if you haven't seen the other video of the colored rose water, please go ahead and check it out in the description box, because in that video I already shared some of the benefits and uses of rose water, so I don't want to repeat it in this video. So go ahead and check the description box if you haven't seen the other video, so that you can know the benefits of rose water and also its uses. Okay guys, in this video I want to show you how I make my distilled rose water. So if you want to learn how to do that, keep watching to the end. So I'm going to harvest my rose petals and I'll show you how. Okay, after harvesting few of my rose petals, this is what I got, and I am going to pick and rinse the rose petals to get all the dirt out. So this is my rose after picking and rinsing out the dirt. We are ready to boil our rose petals. So I'm going to get a pot. I'll put a heavy plate at the center of my pot and I'll put my rose all round it like this. So why I put that heavy plate there is so that it will lift the second plate I'm going to place in it up away from the rose, so that when it starts to boil, the colored rose doesn't get into our plate, and also so that when we cover it, it will be at the center where it will collect the distilled rose water from the pot lid. So we're going to turn our pot lid upside down and we'll pour our ice in. What is that ice for, you asked? Okay, this is the little science. When it starts to boil, I mean our rose, when it starts to boil, the steam is going to rise, and when it hits the cold pot lid, it is going to condense and it will start to drop into the plate in the pot. So the ice is going to help our condensation process. So you need ice if you want to get a distilled rose. Yes. Okay guys, so the ice will definitely melt, so you need lots and lots of ice to get as much distilled rose as possible. So whenever it melts, you can use a spoon or a bowl or something to scoop the water out, then you pour in more ice until you get your distilled rose water. So after boiling my rose petals for 30 to 40 minutes, I got this much distilled rose water. As you can see guys, it is colorless, and I tell you, the aroma is so refreshing. It smells like rose. Of course it is rose. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching to the end of the video. Thank you to all my subscribers. I really love you guys, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I will love to have you here, and also don't forget to leave your notification bell on, so that anytime I drop a new video you will be notified. And also Drop a comment. I would like to hear from you if you eventually try this rose water out. And don't forget to like and share my videos. See you in my next video. Bye guys.